Hi, I got these outdoor Bluetooth speakers to amp up my outdoor game so that my guests and I can enjoy the outdoors a little bit more. I'm going to unbox it and show you what it comes with, and then I'm going to do a quick demo to show you how it works. And as you can see, it comes with S hooks right here, and it has wall mounts as well. Nice and solid. It also has this type of mount if you'd like, so if you want to attach it to your wall or your ceiling, it does come with this hardware right here for you to do that, and you can pivot this head any way you like, and here are the screws. It also comes with ground stakes. This is USB-C charging, so it'll quickly charge. So this is a complete set. Everything that you need will be in the box. As you can see, these are very stylish. They're a great size for the outdoors. There's a threaded mount on the bottom of each. Should you want to put it on a table, the bottom is rubberized for a firm grip. You can see right here is the charging port. This is waterproof for outdoor use, so this rubber door right here kind of keeps moisture away from the charging area. And you have basic controls here of power, play, pause, plus, minus, and a light mode, so this will light up. And it has two of these handles as well, so I have two kids, so if we go trick-or-treating or anything like that, they're gonna have a nightlight plus some amazing music to carry around with them. Let me set this up and then do a quick demo of how it works. So I'm gonna turn these on for the very first time. I'm gonna long press the power button to turn them both on at the same time. And now I'm going to press power on one of them to enter pairing mode. Okay, I double click the power button on one of them, and now they should be, the lights are on, so now these are in pairing mode. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit this right here. And I hear a sound and the lights are no longer flashing. They're solid, as you can see, and we are paired. We're ready to go. So now I hear stereo sound from both of these speakers. So I can use either one of these to control what's being played. So I can play and pause by hitting the play and pause by short pressing. If I long press the plus, it'll control the volume. And long press the minus brings the volume down. If I just short press the plus, it goes to the next track. And look at the lights on this. I'll dim some of the lights so that we can see the flame effects. There's a constant on mode, there's off, there's the flames, constant on. So it just toggles between them, and you can do that with both. These look great and they sound terrific with the stereo sound. And this will give you an idea of what it'll look like in the garden. The one on the left, I have flames, and the one on the right, I have it solid on. And this is also assembled onto the stakes, so you can put it anywhere you'd like, take it wherever you want. And it gets really loud. Here's a closer look.